ng marami. Sabi nila guys, siguro kumanta ng 10 round. Try nga natin. Tara, tara, tara. Okay, naglagay na ako ng filter. Para maganda naman, no? Okay, try na natin. Try pa lang to. Hindi pa ito. Turn around, bright eyes. Every now and then for the fight. Turn around, bright eyes. Every now and then for the fight. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And this holy hold me down. You hold me. Ayun lang kanta ko. Ayun, So guys, natatawa ko po. Napanood ko siya, pero feelings ko ang pangit talaga. Wala na tayong sisimulan na talaga natin para kata general right eyes. Hindi na natin i-stop doon. Hindi na natin ulitin. Ganon, wait. So, tara. Pilang ko nga yata may problema sa akin. Unggoy. Unggoy. Sabi ko, unggoy. General bright eyes. Every now and then for the fight. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you hold me tight, you will hold together with a heart together. Ayun lang. Bye! Kung nagustuhan nyo, follow and share the video. Comment below. Tsaka, babasahin ko sino mga followers ko. Tara. Ngayon na guys.